Hello, this is Judy and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be going over the Stamp of the Month products. I know it's almost the end of the month by the time this video gets up, but I wanted to clarify a couple of things that you get with the Stamp of the Month. So first of all, with a $50 order, when you buy the Stamp of the Month, get it for free as a VIP, or get it for $5 with a $50 order, or pay $19.95 outright. You get this layout kit sent to you. Okay, and this is a layout of how the papers would go behind here on this cut file, and you can see here. This is the paper that goes with the kit so that you have a picture of it so you know how to lay it out. And I did go through on a prior video putting this together, so you can watch that. The cards that come with this Stamp of the Month, if you order $100, including shipping and tax, okay, your order is $100 or more, you'll get these two cards. You're going to get two of this one and two of this one to make. And this is the cards. Well, this is not the one. These are some other samples. This is the one here. Okay, so you're going to get this piece of paper here, and then I just stamped with the stamp set to create those pine fronds, and then the deer I've stamped and cut out. This is a Merry Christmas thin cut that will be included in your kit. You get a strip of this glitter paper and a strip of this paper from Christmas Story to make these cards, and you'll get the two cards and two envelopes to go with it. And I made some other cards. This also had a zip strip from the Cherish paper, but I stamped again the pine branches, and then the little bird I cut out, and then the raccoon. And this one's with the fox, and a couple of zip strips, trying to use up what's in my stash, and a bunch of the pine fronds or branches, whatever you want to call them. And I put the that stripe paper in the middle. And this one was a little bit wider here, but I still love this card. It's so simple and easy with that thin cut in these papers and stamp set. Alright, so that is the slimline cards. You get two of those. And then you'll get two of these cards. Sorry about the glare. This one is from the picture kit that is current right now, that ends at the end of December, and what it is to put a picture of your family in it for Christmas cards. Well, I used it for a shaker, and I used the little animals as my picture, so it's really cute. You'll only get one of these corner pieces. I thought two went with the card when I made this, but only one goes with the card. So you'll get this cutout frame, which I colored with my shimmer brush, and you'll get the base card and the larger envelope. You'll get this corner piece, and then I included some of the shaker elements to put with your paper. Okay, and you also get some white paper to stamp your animals out on, just in case you don't have any in your stash, which I'm sure you do. And then again, on the enclosed sheet, you will get the pictures so you know how to put them together. Now, if your order is $125, before shipping, tax, and VIP credits are applied. Okay, so $125 before all of that. Or I should say $125 after you take all of your VIP credits off, and before shipping and tax, so not including shipping and tax, because the price point to make this so I can afford to send it to you would be that. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. So these are the pieces for the Cherish SVG files, and I put them together. Now in your kit that I sent to you, you'll get everything to make these. Like, I did glue the little on the piece, but not Cherish or things, because you can do that. Some of the things I did glue together, and other things I don't. But these are all the pieces you'll get. And I'll show you. Here's the layout. And this is mine that I put together. So you get Happy, which is 3 layers. You'll get the banner pieces. You'll get this cut file. And if I were going to do this again, you know, I do a sample of it. If I were going to do it again, I would probably color that flower with a little ink and just color the leaves and things with ink to give them a little more dimension. I'd also stamp this background piece to give it some more interest, maybe splatter it with white paint or something. You know, it's very plain right now, which is fine, but I usually add a little bit more than this to my layouts. So you will get that page and this page. And you get all those flags and the white. And these are 4x6 and 3x4s. So if you wanted your photos to go on the mats, you just cut your photos down a little bit and they'll fit on there perfect. So that is the 2-page layout. And these are all the other pieces that go with it. Let me flip this over so you can see them a little bit better. Okay, so all these pieces go with it. This is the hello card, which is all a big cut file. And you could back this too, but I chose not to. It wasn't backed in the SVG file. This is the other one, and mine is bent here because it bent in my Cricut machine. So I use the non-perfect pieces for mine, but I love these little flowers. They're really cute. And again, adding some inking or white gel pen or shimmer brush would only enhance them. So that's the second card you'll get. You also get this beautiful oval frame. And you get this cluster. And it's a big green piece. And I glued the little brown pieces on the back of the cut file for you because it would just be impossible for you to know what all those little pieces were in your kit. So those are getting it, you'll know. Some pieces are put together and some are not. Now this is a 2-layer, actually a 4-layer. So it has one here and one here, and they're double layered, okay? I don't know what kind of a leaf that is, but it's really pretty. It's very dimensional. And you get this 2-piece layer. And you get 2 flowers. And these are 4 layers. Okay, you get 2 in the center and then 2 on the outside. And of course, again, adding ink or shimmer brush would only enhance it. And then you get the 2 leaves that go with either flower. And this leaf cluster, and you get this flower. And then you get some little berries or buds, okay, if you want to call them. So those are all the files in just this one SVG collection for Cherish. And you can actually buy the SVG collection for $9.95, and it's delivered right to your account in the Close to My Heart. When you sign into Close to My Heart, you have an account that has all your digital files when you purchase the SVGs. So you just go in, grab those, upload them to your computer, and then upload them to Design Space or whatever software you use for cutting machine. And then you can use them like any other SVG. And I'll give you this sheet that goes with it to show you how to put those together. So those of you who have ordered this, I'm sorry they haven't gone out yet, but it's been a crazy month with Christmas and a bunch of other things going on. So they will be going out first thing on Monday. And I also want to note that Close to My Heart has Boxing Week sale going on. So every day they will have items on sale starting in the middle of the night here where I am. So they go for 24 hours and they change every day until the 31st. So the 26th through the 31st specials every day. So make sure you check the website. I'll try and send updates every day so that you're reminded. And they said some of the things in the current catalog will be on sale. Most everything in the current catalog will be on sale. At least once, I'm guessing. I'm not sure how they're going to do it, but I'm excited about it. So if there's something you've been eyeing, please keep a note. You might be able to get it at a discount along with other things that they might include. Who knows what? It's always a good chance to get some things you didn't get for Christmas. Okay, take care. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a wonderful holiday. Bye-bye.